for road. We the Benin, we are very fond of doing that. Me and Easy, we talk our story, people they verse. Then they verse, you don't marry. If you don't marry, you're not supposed to use your man, they talk some kind of thing. Shut up your mouth. The man where I marry, you know the time where I tell they do Ashawo. Sometimes if even they escort me reach road. If you shut down, you go back to where you go. If I close, I go call I don't close, so sometimes you call you start carry me. You go ask before I marry him. So when you don't marry now, you can't talk because something I just still lead to this thing. When we all begin to talk, how we take suffer for this Europe. Some people they try, make them shut us up, say, go no way, what way? Many people when they judge me are easy. They do the Ashawo. They do it. They do the Ashawo, so even the thief for road work. I won't lay a tapara no beauty. Niga around po. Ya supo, ya wa fear boy, ekbego, ya wa to them. Giddy. Some of them when they hide for inside, they don't because of you buy another innocent person. Now you thief for you go, you run. They can't go kill your friend. Many of you guys say stop your wabo. But when they try, now many of them they hide for fake accounts. Many of them know they come out. Many people when they do bad fashion work, they're not their Facebook. Then they hide. Then they hide. Somebody tell me about something wey happen for Pama de Mayuka. How the girl tell they say a moe. Bag when put a moe, they come catch another person put for waiting the girl do. You know with the girl they said the father now another person now a friend. He can't go give the friend say help me hold bag. Police come now. He control the girl where he hold the bag. He see cocaine for inside the bag. They go arrest the girl. As the girl cry reach, they tell your friend, come tell police say now you get this thing. Come tell police say now you get this father. The girl not talk. So then now the girl don't buy. The girl will lie. The girl can't go jail. 10 years jail for what he don't know anything about. Many people go believe her. His sister go make his brother go jail. Sister go make his brother go jail because of madam we do. I know how many men don't go jail for this room because of what his sister do. Now his sister now carry guest. Now his brother go follow and go jail for what he don't know anything about. When I know what madam don't cost to many people life. When I say that they don't like her when they do the job, who tell you say we like her? You have no choice. You don't get choice. You don't like the thing, but you don't get choice. You must do the work to pay your madam. Me, I'm a survivor. I always talk. I am among of the people where God have mercy on. I am among of the people where God have mercy on. God can't look me, my daughter. You not get error in my sight. You might think I have error in your sight. I told my posako. Who sent you? The last time I checked, I don't send anybody. Now myself, I always put myself first. I prioritize myself before anybody else. And that's in many people know they like I say you go to prioritize yourself. Now middle finger they give somebody where they tell me say, why are you prioritizing yourself? Middle finger. And to those where they tell me say you don't get character to stay husband house. Thunder fire you 100 times. You see the people when they go to saga me for TikTok, he get one man where they say, he wife run leave him. Wife run leave and go London. Now that one go to judge me. Wait, he say you don't get 55 years, you don't get wife for his house. Now that one they saga me for my husband, me go call the Christ, say somebody they saga me. Who they saga me don't get wife at the age of 55? Who na head not correct oh. When did that one go tell me when he go to cry? That one when life already disappoint at his old age. Only one they carry vehicle when they go back when they cook. How that one go they happy say somebody like my husband go get wife for us when they cook for. They must make sure say they spoil another mate body so that all of them will be passionate at old age. Who no get sense that will fall for their trap? You see somebody like me, I can never fall for social media nonsense trap because I have my own sense. Take your time. The world I feel the judge us. Take your time. Many of these men who married to Ashawo, they know very well. They joy shop the money. They joy shop them. You go cook. For Ashawo road when you go cook, give them, they go chop them. Now they want to judge you now when you don't marry them. They go think that they judge you, when you listen to them. Oh, grow up and move me, it's not go. I pray. Share this video, bye. People know how to hide their trauma. People know how to hide their trauma very well. Why they are trying to put themselves and another person. They'll put another person for road. We the Benin, we are very fond of doing that. Me and Easy, we talk our story, people they verse. Then they verse, you don't marry. If you don't marry, you're not supposed to use your man, they talk some kind of thing. Shut up your mouth. The man where I marry, you know the time where I tell they do Ashawo. Sometimes if even they escort me.
Okay. You see this part so. She say people they tell her say make she shut up. Make she enter house. Say she don't marry, make she not do it again. They say if you see what it resembles something years back, if you see her now, you'll see say they must still drag whether he marry, whether he not marry, they must still the something will still appear for the issue. As a self-love be so. I will say that man no carry self-love go road work. Self-love no go come and come talk. Now the same man when he carry self-love, they go road work. Now the same man, now self-love, still marry. That one not be scar when they person body. Not be scar be that one mark. That one a mark, everlasting mark when no go ever finish. Everlasting mark when no go ever finish. Even if he with your husband they quarrel sometimes, now your husband go even they use system they call and say igbiagia. Yes. Then una say make she not talk. Who get word wey you won't talk? Make it talk am. I see they talk you now. He mind don't free. He mind nothing dey in mind again. Now so una just they say make the enter house, make the enter house, and all those women when they tell they say make the enter house. As self-love boyfriend when he come turn to her husband, so some of women still dey like self-love when their boyfriend carry them go road work, later they come marry them. Are you again young boy? Are you boy? Your father? Yeah. The time you say see oyibo, you say see father. Aye balo alu haruelo as a shan or amujo ki fi ki fi rojo ikeke yo say dagre no be say desi aye mi arrest mi a heavy akiro zere aye mi a heavy akiro zere evi ni nede evi ni nede say yes sunu nya o something that happened years back now see they happen so because na resemblance you can't see there now. Why are you disgracing yourself? You know what? One thing when Benin people they do, Benin people, they are the most people will be say they go say now tell matter. If they say the truth, it go reach the truth go bring disgrace to them. They will want drag themselves come out. If this thing when easy obede with self-love talk so. I will say now only self-love with easy. Now this thing happen to. It no happen to them. You will see how they clap put. Oh, sorry. So, man, when you marry, carry you go road work. Oh, sorry. Now your boyfriend. Ogun agbe. You can't hear? Ogun agbe. That time they say, Ogun agbe. Una wa yi moto una wa mu self-love arukpo o una wa mu moto una wa escort self-love arukpo o una wa ye basket una wa mu abi they go come they add many things Jonah. You see these Benin people, they go come they add many things Jonah. I will say now only self-love say this thing happen to say no happen to all those Benin women, all of the way that they insult her now. I will say this something don't happen to them at all. All of them will they come say, this man you be useless man. Oh. You don't carry self-love. You don't even feel tell and say may stop road. Not be your mate. They stop women for road walk. Stop ukbo. Stop ukbo. Now they mwe are ukbo. And now the woman now you come marry. Now the woman now I come born for you. They cast first self-love. Cast. They don't want me self-love. They shame where. They don't want me self-love. They shame where. They'll call the two and they'll call they say, cooking bok me ani. If na me, I no go gree. If na me, I no go gree. No go kill that man when you call her your husband. No, you come see Benin people. You come see there. Them people. Man people. You come sit there.
We go kiss each other.
Wait first, my darling. You come sit there. That man, the picture don't get here. I will say now only self-love. Say this story when self-love they talk so. Say now only self-love experience. Self-love picture with your husband and picture you go full Facebook. Okpeanoye wo kan gbigbe aga. Ooh. Okpeanoye girlfriend di gbigbe aga. Ooh. You call later come Marian. Ooh. Self-love picture for full social media. Even that your husband for full social media. Your husband family picture go full social media. Self-love people go full social media. Why? It can't be say nah. All these Benin women, they can't they pause. They know say na truth, na self-love talk. My darling, how you dey? I hear you, how your area. They know say na truth, na self-love talk. Now he made them, they say, self-love, you don't dare husband house. Self-love, you don't dare husband. I will say the husband house when self-love, they say they sweet self-love. You think say self-love go come social media? I been I know your story. Or where you call a manage, now he stay enter social media. It's talking story. I do video for her yesterday. Everything when I talk for that video, it can't be like say self-love affected me before. It can't be like say self-love tell me. After I do that video of self-love finish, he get one woman when he call me. The woman where over here he kill ya me where ma or where oh hen we wagelehin. He say you are a seer. Now say mama I can't be seer. I say the thing when you even talk for Facebook, your Facebook, everything, na truth, not truth. Nah, they don't run, they don't go hide. If not only self-love now, now only she do this thing now, all of them go they stone now. Why the small stone when they stone self-love so? They don't want make their nash leak. They don't want make self-love naked day. They don't want make them be naked wire. Now these Benin people, who know see you now, who know now, and I go follow now, they do anyhow. Who know now, not they follow now, they do anyhow. Now, all of that they say, self-love, you know say you don't marry. Self-love, you know say you don't marry. If the matter don't come, self-love, how you want to come on for them? Not be the same his boyfriend, when they escort and go road work, now that same his boyfriend, I still marry and put for house. You know why that boyfriend marry and put for house? Now know why marry her. You know say, when it comes to money, Benin men know they calculate, say, he get where time go reach. That money when it make you marry that woman. He get where time go reach. The woman no go they go that road walk again. Can't they give you the money? I will say that they calculate her like that. And one again and one win. They lost their senses. I always say that time when they carry self-love go road walk. If they na money they come you go waladian war money they come. There ain't no reason I say if he go marry self-love, if self-love don't start to the bone for Rana. Ain't no reason I say road go close, money no go they come. I will say that they calculate, this man for not even marry self-love. The remaining one, when all of them they still self-love, so therefore no see marry all these the rest Benin women. When their boyfriend sit to Ashawo. Now true they talk and one time you tie. You know why you see these Benin people, I talk and say, if una no say this matter go bring disgrace to una, there is no need when una go come they defend una self. Because if people say me they come and come talk, a lot of people will come and come and say, na truth, na self-love talk. Whether they say shentro that time, what to be shentro? Those Benin men, they go like that for inside house. Their girlfriend, once their girlfriend pay gbese finish, now they be the second madam when their girlfriend they pay gbese for. Ask any Benin person. Ask any Benin person. Whether you both give the Benin woman 20 million, whether you both give her 5 million, whether you both give her 60 million, they go give her to this Benin man. At the end of the day, they don't get what they use the money do. You know how many these Benin men when Oyibo give money, ask them today, say, Igo, they don't see money. Eba amigo, if you boy,
you go back.
Okay.
Where you go.
No listen again.
People know how to hide their trauma.
Yeah.
People know how to hide their trauma very well. Why they are trying to put themselves and another person. They'll go put another person for road. We the Benin, we are very fond of doing that. Me and Izzy, we talk our story. People they verse. Then they verse. You don't marry. If you don't marry, you're not supposed to use your man. They talk some kind of thing. Shut up your mouth. The man where I marry, you know the time where I think they do Ashawo.
Okay.
Sometimes if people they escort me reach road.
Oh, now true, now you talk. Because na Shentro, na then if they find Shentro men for Europe, na Benin men. Benin women, na 2 times, neither they pay Igbese. 2 times, neither they pay Igbese. They go pay their madam finish. They go they pay boyfriend. Not be only that he pass they go even pay Igbese for the whole family when the boyfriend for come. They go pay for Modailo. All those one that time they go tell them will say you know say if they cheat you, you go be their wife. They try some of them pay madam finish. Money when they even pay madam self, it's more than the one when they pay their boyfriend. Now they go carry their boyfriend go shopping. Now they go buy clothes for their boyfriend. And na expensive clothes now their boyfriend they wear. And they wear leggings. They wear leggings. If you see them that time, the hair when they their head, they know they fit change them. They know they buy clothes wear. When they see them that time, you go wa mia. They do more you na leggings. Neither they wear. They all wear leggings. They will pay madam finish. Now these people I see say they pay madam finish. They come still they pay boyfriend. As they hustle for boyfriend, the family of the boy, they go still they give them money. They'll still they give them money. These Benin women they try wawa ya obu wawa die. When me waje I'll carry my toto. I'll go to Ashawo for who are they crazy? If you were waiting us, I thought I'd be back Noria. I'm not where. Now so waiting self-love talk, self-love no lie. You see the men, they know they go work. Now that they call when you they hear say that they call Shentro. Now they be Shentro. They'll come buy car, give the man. Then the man now if they don't they carry them. Now the man they carry them, they go where they walk. All those one when they don't they say that now God save una say I not dey TikTok. I forgot disgrace una pass this disgrace when Lizzie with self-love they give una. And if they talk about the men, and then they first they run come out. And they know why they first they run come out. Now 2 people, now that even 3 people. Now all those Benin women, Benin girls that time. Now 3 people now that they pay Igbese for. More than. They come friend the boy, maybe if the boy don't get another one when they give him money pass, you go come leave that first one. You see, these women, these Benin women that time, those Benin girls that time, they pay Igbese tire. Any boy when they friend them, they must to the balance. They know they finish for banners. You know, most of those women, you know how many men they banners? They pay Igbese finish. You know how many boyfriend they banners? You know how many boyfriend? Then the cut together say, yeah, you not saying that you are not saying very shameful. Now, so my darling, they don't want to hear the truth. Now, truth, now this girl talk, self-love talk. Now, truth talk. Any day, maybe they'll come on. I will say, them, all those Benin girls, I will say, they don't do the same thing when self-love they talk so. Family, self-love family picture will full social media. Your husband family picture will do social media. Your husband picture will do social media. Everything. Oh, one not self-love, they will bring everything called social media. Now, because they still evolve, now it make them, not lawa. Now it make them enter, now it make them, but they say, self-love, we marry nena. Self-love, we marry nena. Self-love, we marry nena. My sisters, this trafficking, when they talk, if you see this trafficking, more to say, oh, the old Benin. The one where you don't see money take traffic, you will not say, you know, make her. It was a big deal. It was a big business. Or some people they even say gay, give people. Eh? Or mama pa. That was one girl. That was one girl. That is one girl give like 3 people. He got one way. One saloon. That's it. Carry the girl come the saloon. This one, you don't tell. I think I go do her for there, something like that. What I go do for that saloon that day? Now the court say one girl. They don't say the girl say. Now that saloon, now the girl for come run for their hand. They will carry go here, they go sell them. Carry go there, they go sell them. Carry go there, they go sell them. Now that saloon, I did that area that very day. When they call, they say, now here they carry the girl reach, the girl don't finally run. Area even call. They get mind. Benin men can use their Benin women to do Ashawo. Ask Benin men say how many of their women they pay basic for. How many? If you see the one, if you see Benin man, I work in an army a no man, even an army no man. If you see Benin man way good, he they do shoroti. He with the girlfriend go they do shoroti. Or he with the girlfriend go they do shoroti. The Benin man go they do shoroti. He with the girlfriend they do shoroti. Who want that Benin man he they see money for shoroti. Nah. These 2 ladies come out now. They no be shan. You know say as if they see say disgrace enter their head, they will say they be shan. Lizzie, they not say Lizzie Naisha. Lizzie Naisha. Self-love Naisha. Because say disgrace don't enter the now. They will come they say, do. They not be Bini. We don't know where they for come. It be like say they be shan. It be like say they be Agbo. It be like say they be Igbo people. It be like say they be Oka people. It be like say that Yoruba they be I be here Ghana here. Now then they can never tell you disgrace I lie bene. They will want to they deny Igbiagia. When they know say in a school of Igbiagia they get this thing master degree. They get master degree. Then the woman they talk, they say, "Una they sagara." All the Benin people when they do blogging, una they tell and say, "Wala why you go lawa? Why you go enter house? Why you go lawa?" Eh? Now true talk, true. Una men not the true carol now. They go road. Una men go they sleep for inside house. Una guys go their boyfriend go they work. Not be that they caution true. They self-love ya to horebe, but not try talk truth. Or if you not see the video, make una roll and pass. Not be every if you know say you they shame. Not be audio video when you see, not be you go they put opinion. Waiting I can't talk now be sent. Self-love say the time when they friend the husband when he come marry now, say your husband is escort and go road. Many Benin women, their boyfriend escort they go road walk. They go stay for her. They know they pay her straight. They know they pay like B. You can, before you see a Benin girl, when he go there has a low, he they hard. He must carry room. He with the boyfriend must stay. Where anywhere, even he say na big palazzo. Say this palazzo na big palazzo. Say they carry one room, carry one room. If you read it, if you go greet them, you must see boyfriend. That they live with boyfriend. So they don't dey with boyfriend. They go carry house with their fellow guests. You just say you want to go greet. Oh yeah, na Benin with BO. Okay, we want to go greet them. If you read there, their boyfriend go to top of bed. You go hold remote. Why you be safe una see truth? Una go de manyara. See, self-love they talk truth. See the one when it happen for Benin, when Pella, take go palace. Selflove say wetin happen for palace e no good. All of una come dey saga Selflove. At the end of the day, wetin Selflove talk say e no good. E no true good. Now people they say you shall say na palace talk. You shall say palace talk. Why did they say whether you shall say palace talk? Because the people when they accept am before, say wetin Pella do, e not bad.
So where they go? If
Wetin Pella do, wetin they do when they take enter palace. You know say they say e good. Beneath to the world. You know say if that they disgrace Beneath or they say beneath to the world. Say e good. I even do video put say Pella starts from their old kingdom. Their old kingdom. Yoruba when they've come. You know how many palace they Yoruba? Yoruba big pass. Those states 3 times. One local government. One local government for Lagos. It be past Benin. Just one local government area for Lagos. It be past Benin. Let me just say Ajegule. Ajegule is bigger than Benin 20 times. Pella, all the way from Lagos. You know reach any kingdom there for Lagos. A lot of kingdom there Yoruba land. And you know how many palace there Yoruba land? You know how many palace? You know if you go Ojon way, for there, I mean Ojon way we Lagos, we Yoruba. You know if you go do this thing when you do for Benin Palace, you know if you do it for Ojon way, for Yoruba land, though, you know do it. You can't come palace. Beneath to the world. To the world. Beneath to the world. We say Benin one enter world. For very long time. Ages. Now you go enter world. Obuwa. No be Benin go for enter market. Obuwa because why? To work baby. When they use una how they destroy something. I do video say, yeah, why the guy not start for a kingdom? Or as Yoruba land big rich, he live there, he don't use any palace. They do that thing when he go do for Benin Palace. He can't come out all the way. You know how many hours he come they call the Zuzu for Benin Palace. Now, people they say, you shall say not true. You shall say they bring the matter to table. You shall say they bring the matter to table. You shall say not truth. You shall say not truth. All of them, when they support Pella, all of them are ashamed though they catch them. I felt that una say, now they disgrace that una palace. Now Benin people, they disgrace Benin Palace. Now Benin, if they find the enemy of that Benin Palace, you cannot bring Igbo man come out, you say na the enemy of Benin Palace. You can never bring Ishama come out, you say na the enemy of Benin Palace. You can never bring Urobo man come out, you say na the enemy of Benin Palace. Because why? All those people, they have their own kingdom, they have their own king. You cannot bring Yoruba man come out, you say na the enemy of this palace. Ijo man, you know what bring and come out, you say na the enemy of Benin Palace. No, now they say Benin. They say warm when they eat cola. Na inside cola, na in day. Oh no leve ekewe odan warm when they eat cola, na inside cola, na in day. Na these Benin people, they be warm when they eat cola. Now that one come worse pass. You go there inside there. Warm when they eat leaf. Now if you don't eat the leaf, eat. You say the leaf not there, you go come on for there. Then this one for cola, you go come siran, you go come chop the cola, you go put big hole for inside the cola. I better make una dey enter, I'm not they cover una shame. Una shame, The people go say, now let Benin people they at those states. Now let Benin people they at those states. The shame now. Neither they find who they want to use the shame. But if they carry shame, they use to take the wrong call. Yes, sir. Yes, babe. We want to go carry this shame and disgrace reach where they did. And reach where we did, they don't fall. Brah! The shame and disgrace go see pour for their body. See there. I die vie Philomon kwa that they say vie Philomon kwa lawa. Mama lawa se me kuna lawa. Vie Philomon kwa bonto we lawa. Because to wa we a disgrace yi e kidon no wa. Yeah, it not to not be truth. Now fake news. Now lie. Now lie. Now fake news. Now fake news. A fake news. You know, ekwe imu ya not say now fake news. They shame. That I gotta say now fake news. Now fake news. Tell her. Now lie. Now fake news. Shame and disgrace. Now they carry come na palace. Shame and disgrace. When self-love top put all of them, I see where self-love on not borwe. Now say orwe one man agbe. They all of they call the saga self-love. You get one boy when they Nigeria, when it be like a dragon, a guy when they behave. I don't know whether I don't know. It may scatter for this thing. His teeth. If I just see the teeth, I'll just roll and pass. I can't hear or book by my man. Teeth too much for mouth. That one teeth reach 32 plus 32. 64 teeth. Any arioka. Any arinya. If they eat nya, any heavy, any heavy the lenya. Yeah, igele. Ese abiomo. Yeah, your body, I have your monochorion sha. Oh my God. You see the life now. Share all of the door they come. Hey, self-love at the house. Self-love say no go at the house. Self-love at the house. Self-love. Like they disgrace yourself. Now lie. When self-love say he boyfriend, when he day with her as a boyfriend before he come marry her, he said they go road walk. If they go road walk, the man no know. The man is say if he marry self-love, finish self-love, they go road walk. And self-love now na person we know the year word. Self-love na stubborn person. And they like women when they stubborn. Eh? He come marry and say after a self-love wa ibiene, self-love they go road walk, he go they help self-love they carry pikin. Now their self-love cut rope. It won't be like the second one. Ajaboy na mie ya wefe. You not see that one. You not see that one. Ajaboy na mie ya wefe. You go help his wife ho. Now these Benin people now they try. As I just did so, I will just born for man. The total when I take born for man, I carry the total go road work. Go they use the total go they fuck. Can't they feed the man? Eh? Una they try, oh man. That is some things una they do, eh? Yeah. Lovely. Yes, see me. Lovely, where's when they are? Now that one. Now you make her. If it is say if you come marry self-love will see they do Ashawo for her. Now self-love cut rope. Now you make her come to fight self-love. Eh? Can't reach how many years when self-love take day with her. He can't they fight her. Can't reach today see they fight her because self-love marry and finish. Self-love throw away condom. Self-love can't throw away condom. Now he can say no. If it is self-love both finish, if you go carry pikin, self-love will see they go road walk. Can't walk, give her. That make a marry self-love come on for a family. The money when self-love go they give a family, if self-love still they do the gbiagia. As he marry self-love, you know say when he don't marry self-love now, everything that belongs to self-love, he go belongs to her. Even he say self-love don't they go road that time, the money go they enter in pocket. Self-love no can go they give a family money again. Why? He don't marry self-love. Common for a family. Now self-love belongs to him. Any money when self-love go make for Ashawo that time, self-love go come they give her. At the end of the day, now self-love say don't marry. You know they go Ashawo work again. I dey. I'm fine, my darling. Mercy. That's it. It don't reach truth now. Those Benin people now, they don't enter house. They don't enter. This thing when self-love talks so, it happened to many Benin. It happened to them. Many Benin women, girls, they do Ashawo for Benin men. If they once they pay Igbese finish for their madam hand, they go boyfriend, they get boyfriend, they pay Igbese. Don't they pay Igbese? Why the Benin men? Why are you shouting? Madam go get 6 girls. The 6 girls when they go get all those Benin women, they get 6 girls. They will give the agolo. The mangolo when they put money. The mangolo when they put money. Now the men, if now 5 mangolo, the man now go get the 6. That we not them, but the one where it they walk where. Now the man go say, one win I say now. Now this one I be my girl for inside do. Now the woman will use the money to carry the girl combo. The man go select the one where go they work for her. Now he make them know better. How many Benin man when you see say they Europe no man way better? It no day. It no day. We are both was 2 bedroom. If you see 4 flats for Benin, no say na Benin woman I build them. For abroad, they'll say Benin woman. I will burn us. They'll say now won't Benin woman went there abroad now. Who built this hostel? Now won't Benin woman went there abroad now. Who built this now and I want a Vioyoto. You say now won't Benin. You see all those Benin men, they don't finish one for 1 bedroom apartment. Now 1 bedroom apartment. Even all those Benin guys here when I get wait till these guys they use until they buy. Now marker. Now they get her money, Jojo her money. Benin magi bweli egbana choy Willie Versace. Not be name Willie Versace. I always said that man the true work for fabric at that time. He go fit they buy Versace. Right from the time when Versace take cheap no day. Even the time of Lire. Now Versace, if you see Versace trouser now, 350, 400, 250. Even the time of Lire, now so it still be 400, 250, 350. Now those Benin women, money now they take buy. Benin woman, you see their boyfriend, this is, they'll carry them go, ekenana here gold. They go buy gold, put for their neck. Yeah, where the gold now? Where you can, a gold in the you can here. Who say it's here? A gold in the ya survive. Some of them will be said they get problem. Police can't carry them. Now they are gold. Now they take lawyer. Where una they fight? Who can't they talk truth? That does believe women. Una for just enter house. While it a lawa chekele. What a lawa. No, they don't enter house. They want to they say they want to deny waiting. Their old Benin person talk. Self-love no lie. It no lie. Truth. Benin men. I do video 130 times say Benin men never protect their Benin women. I used to do video early last year. I know the time when I do that video. You know, say some video, if you spend 1 month, they go remove them. I forgot bring that particular place come. Benin men never protect, oh. Benin men never protect, Benin women, oh. You can never see any Benin man, you go say, Benin woman pay gbese. You can never see. If you see Benin woman when you say, na man pay gbese for her, if you not be Ishan, you go be Igbo. If you not be Shama, you go big bo man. You go say, I like you. I don't want to make you go road walk again. If you not be Shama, you go big bo. That type of email, because they say, now Shama, you they follow you. They use it to carry market too. Now Igbo you they follow you. They use it to carry market too. So Benin women when they follow Ishan, follow Igbo. Now with the Igbo with the Ishan, now then they carry market together. They go see get their own money. Because all these Benin men now, they'll say, oh yeah, you wear mweki na. Because they use it, they carry mwe na. Oh, you wear mwe. And then now, that they use their women, they do it biagia. And another woman, another man now coming with the woman, they do business together. They are doing business together. A cheating error, if they send you message, you go pay. If they tell say, go carry market, come for Holland, they go pay you. But all those people, how you will call your keep woman for house, you all they use it to totally they work give you. And they will see carry the toto come. These people go see they fuck the toto. Yeah. No. I bet Benin men don't get the time when no. If I dey come life a gay, may I never be a Benin Peking. I will not come. I can never. I can never. Say I come life a gay. Say I dey find where I want Rosso. I can never Rosso. Can never come for Benin. Why I said it? Benin men now they protect their Benin women. Benin men no one don't help their Benin women. El Rivo, day. If I dey come life say I want to come for that Edo State na Esan na go for come. If I don't come for Esan, I will come for Auchi. If I don't come for Auchi, I will come for Ora. I can never come as a Benin. Here. Benin men no they protect their women. Don't they protect their women? Now shame now they shame now. I don't know that they say self-love la na dia. No na come spoil everything now. Shame go let you come spoil everything. Shameless people. And this is issue. Maybe the palace need to bound on Benin. Presenter from blogging anything you do with palace make we see who be real enemy and no safe. Now they be the enemy, my sister. If you like make the same message. You know how many times they don't send message come for that Benin palace. Say make they remove man for Benin palace. Then they remove. Now these Benin people now they be enemy of palace. Now if somebody they find my sister, if somebody enter Benin Kingdom today, they will say that they find palace. If an Ishama they there, if Isham stand for there, if Igboma stand for there, if Uroboma stand for there, if Benin man they there, the Ishama go no road to palace, so not be say no. The Igboma go no road to palace, so. The Uroboma go no road to palace, so the Yoruba man no palace. They can never describe it. They will say, see, you see this man when he down, so you say now Benin man go ask where their palace they. Now there they see enemy. Now your kingdom, now your enemy they live. Your kingdom live, your enemy live inside your kingdom. You see what I thought so, my darling. Make different tribes stand. Benin man go dead there. Or na Benin woman go there, or na no boy. Somebody will say, I dey find palace. Now that Benin man, I have they will point say, go see that man na Benin man. He go show you road. And if you true read there, now that Benin man go true go show you road. But if another Benin man won't get sense, he go say, I don't know where palace they. Go say, you be Benin. I go say, I don't know there. Now say Benin people, now they be the enemy of palace. No, now they talk so na get enemy. Now be the enemy of una self. But enemy ekbeba. Na so na. Benin get no traffic, then try the pay. Madam P, boyfriend P, husband P, family. Yeah! When you don't see them, all of them just they shout. If you see the mama, their boyfriend mama, he never be mother-in-law. He never be mother-in-law to them. Never be mother-in-law. They will call, this Benin man, they're going to say that they trick. You know who they feel trick? They feel trick their people. Now their people, now they feel trick. If you see some Benin girls, now Italy, now why did they say Shuperu? That they see Shuperu girls. Shuperu girls can never give a dime to Shentro boy. You see all these girls, so when they give all those Benin men money that time, now Shuperu girls, now that they carry, they go club. Shuperu girl, now don't stay there for con. You can see Ishan, go be Shuperu. See Benin, go be Shuperu. Igbo, go be Shuperu. You know, the way where every tribe take day. Maybe as I don't think I be Shuperu girl. I think get Igbo as a friend. I go say, sister, you be Shuperu. Why you tell they don't do Shuperu? You go join me. He go still go bring his sister come. Another Yoruba person say, man, I like una well. He go join. Now, you know, Shuperu, now different people. And if you see that Shuperu, if you see Bini Percy when it be Shuperu, no say na inside new Bini, na for grow. Ugo hana ya mwere. They brought her. Isa ugo ha. Because he a fiao. You know, he a fiao.
So
I don't know why you guys, you are trying, why you are Latian. But you're supposed to share. In a hustling land, anything can happen for hustling land. Anything, when it comes to hustling land, even small picking of 5 years, you go smoke Igbo. You know the Risha Jegule. You know the Risha Jegule. Small picking of 5 years, if they had a smoke Igbo for a Jegule, well, now they feel say, now they carry her. Hustling land and hustling land. Who want to talk, make it talk. Because the people where they talk, they meet bad people. Like me, I don't get what I want to talk. Last I did, now right from Nigeria, and now tear I for money. Because my mother was a big trader. I know how waiting money works. I know currency. I know what you can use currency to do. Like me, there is no way I will say I want to go do Ashawo give man. They never bought that man. I will say Bionok be me. Because for me myself, I like expensive things. If I use 1,000 euro to they buy something, I know they scratch my head. They scratch my head. Those are the things when that they try to they shout. All those that they say they are talking of trafficking, they are talking of trafficking. Oba don't already stop the trafficking for years back. There is nothing like trafficking in Edo State again. In Benin, in Nigeria, no trafficking. No trafficking. For Nigeria, for the whole Nigeria, no trafficking. Even they say some people say that they do trafficking now. Bet. You not go see them. Even you even ask the person, say, who carry you? Can you say nobody carry and come? Now you they feed me. Why they ask me? When it comes to for them to say the truth, they not go say the truth. But the person when can't talk the truth, they go they fight her. When self-love come out, that they say, when why am with that little boy at a palace, it's not good. All of them come out for self-love. But today we call, is it not the same thing when self-love talk? Not be the same thing. Palace still there against. Say, waiting, the way when I can't do something for palace, is it not the same thing self-love talk? All of them now, they can't share. Audio blogger, when they support Pella, all of them can't share. All of them now, they say, and Ale Pella, other people, they draw now. Why can't be say, he can't reach Bini, na Bini, because anything where reach Bini people hand, that they drag her to mold. Anything where reach Bini people hand, that they drag her to mold. Now, I make people, they say, when he come, Bini people go use and take rob grant. You see this hustle when they talk so. If a woman can never use check consider say I was there. Or now Robo can use check sit down say I was there when this something happened. No. I don't know why that they see Benin men. Now make me I'm not like Benin men to friend. Lie. Even when me with my Benin girlfriend, that my sister from Benin. Me with her, we don't date friendship for years. We do get home. We date friendship for years. If Benin guys go they talk say, also when I'm moving, my Benin girlfriend will say, no need. I no go gree. I know they give them ear, make them talk put. Because why? They be lazy ass men. Igbagba, if you see Benin man they talk, Igbagba mi yan je, Benin man when he make am. When Benin men when he be say, they find Benin men when he not chop woman money for abroad. He not chop Benin woman money for abroad. Leatherland old school Benin men. Deutschland, Germany old school Benin men. They not chop woman money. Even years back, when the Shuperu, the Central, they'll come invite all those, all those old school when they day Germany, all those Benin men when they day Germany. If they can't greet them, so we can't find girlfriend come. They not just can't see the kind of life when Benin men, they use their Benin women till they leave for Italy. They don't come back. Some marry, they don't carry the woman come. Some marry, they'll carry the woman come. If the woman get belly, they'll carry her come. The woman come born. Then from there, through the picking when the woman born, then from there, they process their documents small. You see old school Benin men when they day Germany. You cannot see them that they food themselves. You not go see them say that they food themselves. They still the Austria that time. The one with the Benin men when they do Austria that time, they be businessman, that they sell market. That they sell market. If you find Benin man where they sell market, you go see them for Austria. Who can mean Austria? If you see Benin man where they sell market, you go see them for Holland. Oh, where Benin man, ogele muneki. He get one Benin man that time. That Benin man a part of a day. That Benin man they sell market. You see, huh? The rest, they be central, obogbian. They never treat their women well. They don't treat their women well. They don't, to be honest. I don't see shaman. I don't see shaman as I tell for get rich that I don't see shaman. You got a friend you go tell you to go, you got a go road work for your eye. I don't see him for Ishan. Horrible. If Igbo self, you know there how many Igbo una see say if they go drop Igbo get for road. You know they. You know they.
Something that just lead to this thing. When we all begin to talk, how we take suffer for this Europe. Some people they try, make them shut us up, say, go no way, what about way? Many people when they judge me are easy. They do the Ashawo. They do one. They do the Ashawo, so even the thief for road work. I won't lay a caparapa no gyoji. Niga around po. Ya supo, ya wa fiekbo, ekbego, ya wa to lem gidi. Some of
no, God forbid. If I want to free Benin man, when get money, not be the one when you go carry load, come go my house, come stay. As I out there rich, me don't vie san. Ya we Benin man fi owa. I go they go road work, come take the fees and fear. I don't even do road work, say I want you to take care of myself. Now Benin man, I will come do road work. Come they take care of. Yes, una know the truth. That they see Benin man when he sell market, they get money. You will see where they use their hand to do something put for Lagos. They're best for Lagos. We not there now. When they carry market. And the other side when we say women they do Ashawo for. Other side when women do Ashawo for, they are useless. They be useless. You know, see there, some of them don't they sick. Some of them don't get diabetes. Some of them don't they wheelchair. They are sick. They go they find different women. One Benin man go get 20 girlfriend. 20 girlfriend. And he put them for schedule. Or what schedule yeah. The days when they take they come. The week when they take they come. Or what schedule yeah. He schedule them. Or what schedule. They will all put them for schedule. The one will come this week. If he come, do everything finish, he go. Another one will come. They know they meet yourself for there. Now information. Do not say information must to they go place. Now information. Nice will continue they reach there. Even if you even read there, the Benin guy can't he go to say he not day house. He go say he not day house. I beg you, leave that see. No, there is no Benin man in abroad. No, got it. You're what those central, you know, they wait them today, they lose guard. What did they fit do? Upon how they collect money for their Benin women hand rich. How many of them get hotel? The one where they even pull hand say they want build hotel. Courage today, they don't fit finish. They don't fit even do decking. Are you kidding? God forbid. I want friend Benin man and central man. I want friend for Benin man they Chris. But I can't get a friend the Benin. I'm with central man. If I want carry Benin man, go carry central man. All this. All right. We not there. Where? We not there. We not there. We not there. The one where they sell market, we not there. The one where they sell market, that they crazy. That they crazy where? We not there. Where? Don't talk. Yeah, and I had to move on. What I can do for Italy? You know what I can do for Italy? Now everybody went to Italy. Now I do Ashawo. When they say what I do for Italy, for your mind. When they say Madame carry woman come, Madame carry girl come, he run leave Madame, he no pay gbese. He do Ashawo. If he do Ashawo, he go pay gbese, no go run. You think that they don't tell and say everybody. You want to say every women way they Italy. For your mind saying all of them do Ashawo. For your mind saying all of them do go road work. Not all of them go road work. Now it be the mistake when una head the day. That place now, that place you can make money for IT. You can make money without you not carry your toto go road work. Go the do Ashawo. Then they say Igbo, then they say market, then they do different things. So you both they give guests money. Now that because if now here for Italy, the office say now every niggas when they Italy, not all of them. Now they run street. Not every nigga when they Italy run street, eh? Not every nigga. Then they run streets. Another way they run streets. Not before Ashawo. You got to throw away market for street. You know say where it be for now. Some of them now just Ashawo. Because it can't be like time come when some guys go guys and say no. They enter to the sell market. Even most of these Benin girls, the one way shop for inside though, they enter, they come they sell market. Yeah, you also say that they go road, go do Ashawo. They don't do road, go Ashawo. That they sell market. If you see them for streets, that they sell market. That they wrap market small. You wrap a small, Igbo. That they sell them. Not be now Benin people carry Ashawo for head for Italy. Now Benin people now carry Ashawo for head for Italy. If you go Italy, Ghana, they Italy. Ghana. I ever see Ghana woman won't do a shot say do Ashawo for IT. If you go Congo, they Italy. Abidjan, they Italy. All the old Africa country, they Italy. You want to say all of them come to Ashawo? Because now they use until they shout. You know? You people, you were using it to shout. You don't know? When they don't say Italy, they always say every nigga when they Italy. Now all of them hustle. Now wait till they talk be that every nigga when they Italy, now all of them hustle. Not be all of them hustle. Not be all of them. If you reach street today, guys, they hustle for street. No big beaga that they do. That they sell market for street. Guys, they street. That they sell market for street. Not let Benin people just put on for us say, now Ashawo. Now that they do. If you just they don't see you for street, you don't do Ashawo. You don't know say even this shout when you they see so. Shout when they see so people they say Igbo. Load Igbo for under bag. On that bag, go load Igbo for that bag. You they sell them because you don't have customer. One customer don't already bring plenty come for you. You know say they are all call your be say they all carry on for head. Carry on for head. Some people sell market for streets. If you pass, you just say they throw away market for streets. That is the problem when these people look. They'll say, you go Italy, what you go do for Italy? Not everybody when go Italy, not be do Ashawo. What of the guests when their madam they say they wrong, they not pay gbese. They don't want do Ashawo, now made they wrong. Yeah, they don't want do Ashawo, now made they wrong. So guests they sharp guests when their madam they carry they come, then they wrong. Yeah, they wrong. They'll just go. They'll say they'll just say they carry their guy can get done wrong. You know how many guests wrong? They want do as I will say they want do as I will therefore no wrong. Yes, no be if they don't say Italy. The stupid things when it did una feel say now everybody when he did that Italy now do Ashawo not be everybody. These Benin people when you see they see today say so Benin did yes.
You buy another innocent person.
Yes, some Benin day. They don't see, they know also. They know also that day. In a war, that day, they know also. To be honest. Yeah, raw. Some Benin people did that time. You get one girl from Verona. Now Benin, now they do her now. They do her. You don't go road work. Now her, now they pay madam. Why not they talk? Italy. If they don't hear for Italy, the office say Italy. Everybody will go Italy now. Shall what they go do? People go. You should they talk of Nigeria. Yoruba get day Italy. Yoruba woman day Italy. Igbo day. Hausa Hausa feed day. Hausa people they day. Yes, you don't go know them. You don't know whether they be Hausa. Different African country. They day Italy. Guess, no guess that time. It means say now Ashawo now all of them can't do. You want them to say all the old Africa people when they day Italy women guess for your mind say now Ashawo now they can't do no. Now when be Benin now it bring the disgrace. Now bring the disgrace come because why? Una to talk. Una go talk say una no get shame. By the time when it could be say they will come they analyze una shame. Shame go come they catch una. You that say you don't have shame. As you now, you when they write this comment now, you be Benin. I be this one not the shame. Yeah. I be this one not the shame. Eh? Ah, God forbid. Benin man make me single. Who tell you say I single? Who told you that I single? Because I know the social media account they say, see my husband though, see my husband though, see my husband though. Who tell you say I single? I pray. That tell you say I be single person. I pray. Eh? See, Benin man go make me single. They never born that Benin man. The mama will go born that Benin man, he go born her again. Yes, Benin man go make me single. I said, be only Benin man near bar. You don't even get prick when you go to make me single. You don't get prick. Okay, you should get lost. If they go disgrace yourself in it, they're gonna say, now they have to no, no, if you talking for your house. The disgrace not already there. The day when Pella go to Zuzu for palace. This is self-love talk put. All of them attack self-love for TikTok. But I know they TikTok. Oh. All of them, you get one. I see the video that they block and put for Facebook. I even talk put for the matter say, Pella don't reach your kingdom, your Yoruba, where for the coin, don't enter king place for they don't Zuzu for a kingdom. All the kingdom where they Yoruba, how many enter before he can reach for Benin? You know, say, now Benin people, they disgrace themselves. They can disgrace themselves. I don't even know why they are looking for people. Why not they look for people? Una population never reach. Population no se va access. If this is okay, no. If they see Yoruba woman, no. If they see Igbo man, na my brother. If they see Isha, if you are if you're mark, everybody now want to use all your Nigeria take to una brother. Now one of what did they call that guy? Or where he not be your brother? Or where I be Isha? I not be Bini, I not be your brother. Why they talk say I be your brother? So people what they talk say, well, now una brother, they go deny una. Why una need people? Like me now, I don't need anybody. They always they disgrace una. If they reach Igbo platform now, Igbo will say, I don't know now, not be my brother. They don't want una need population. The Benin people need population. Una go just sit down. Una want to use everybody to do brothers. Una want to use everybody to do sister. Even if they tell say they don't want, una go they stronger to be their brothers and sister. How can Igbo man be Benin brother at the end of the day? I beg you. I better write another thing. No, don't disgrace. No, I say now this my platform. Now I go the iron na disgrace. Shame on disgrace. If they talk sometimes they say beneath to the world. See now beneath to Ashawo. You say beneath Ashawo. Because of these useless people. They say me self-love at house. If not only self-love now, your boyfriend, he walk.
Are you thief or you go, you run? They can't go kill your friend.
Self-love, it don't do. It don't do. They themselves know what you they talk. They know. They money when Benin women make for abroad. They just want to buy any kime nama so very high we know nama. Oh my God! Amen. You the Zuzu. You the Zuzu. You know what? Now they like story where if they can't see the story will come and make them shame. If na not say una no want shame, one thing, more remove beneath for una mouth for social media. More na not see Igbo people. Igbo people will just they do their this thing now they are all something that they talk. You see, if Ishan people they block their this thing and they una Ishan. If Benin people say Ishan now, yeah, they praise Ishan. Now Benin girl and rich Ishan land. You praise your Benin. You not just want me everybody be una it can never be. Esa gyompa, no be the same blood. Oye kompa. Awe anything no more. Oh my God. This what is self-love talk? So self-love don't lie. The time when all this manage, tete be manage, you dare not look their boyfriend, though. If they see you, say their boyfriend, that amateur iye lekute. Who you think that they call you lekute? She said that Igbo woman. Now Benin woman, are you lekute? Hey, if their boyfriend, you know, that a friend boy, so that a friend those young guys. And the young guys now go no say are you lekute? And the young guys, they go want, they will want young girl. Oh, when I don't see say their boyfriend they eye you, they go come say, hey, my sister, are you dead now? Oh, say see. My baby girlfriend go say, he won't come block you. They will give you the money where go agba ore. Now dalive, now that they call that time. I say see this one. You know why they go to say, any they take care of my going agba ore dalive. If you see my dalive with any girl and you know banner who calling me. If I to see your boyfriend with a young girl, I'll come call you, say I decrease. Because why he come? Because you know say, the boy when they friend, they eye you. The boy when they friend, they eye you. You know. I beg come on for there. Now that's why we just dey shout. If you want all this history of Italy, nothing when they fit give you money for Italy. Not be only they give money for Italy. Not be only all those when just the rights, if they pay you and it go pay you down. And they know the story. They know the story. They know the story. If you see some today now say those Benin men, they come marry all those girls, all of them have to have fear, they don't they shout. Those Benin men, they come marry those girls. So most of those girls, in a BFO, in a yari igbiagia. Like someone like Selflove now, as that one start to the bone, you know, carry back go road again. Now he make an with his husband people, with his husband. Now he make them know they good things can reach today. Now he make them know they good things can reach today. We know them. Mayana, Igbava, Eya Hasa. They will pay for madam. They will start to they pay for boyfriend. If boyfriend family will come to chop their money. They will load. You know, it don't take when this rice, rice, if you buy all those people when they sell something, all those vendor, rice, beans, everything. That time, how much it be that time? 40,000. Rice, everything, nyamo, oil, everything, gari, crayfish, anything where you want put, you go pack am. We need people do one to their boyfriend, mama. All the name say the man go marry them. All the name say the man go marry them. You know, yes, Selflove, you say your husband, they call her Orionba. How can you be calling your wife Orionba? Because your wife, he marry finish, you become the tea say, you want to go back to road. Make they work for you. You just marry her to himself. You know how we say Selflove, see they go road for your husband's house. You know say now only the man go they chop the money. Now only the man go they chop the money. Selflove can't say lie to lie because Selflove now somebody when still wise. She still educates. Now only the one we educate, you don't feel wrong there. The one we be mugu. Hey, now wow. Yeah, where I say if you dey where they sell meat, they use almost 3 nylon bag. Big one take carry meat come out. Cow leg go, cow tail, cow this one. Here is African shop. Small start info. If you see where they lost small start, pussy, you just play go that side. See where they put small start. Where you they cook, sir. You know they cook, sir. The rest central they come meet the central guy for a girlfriend house. They will just fry meat, fry chicken, fry, put on for table. Any silver, any king, no more. I ask you, if you use any king, no more. Now beneath men, now they just taste sing. Beneath men, no, beneath men never protect their women for Europe. To be honest, I said it in video last year. They never protect their women for Europe. They never. They were using them. They never. They were using them. All that state people, they protect their own state women. Any Benin man when go come out, even Benin woman say lovely, and want to tie. Benin men never protect their women. Can Benin man come out? How many of them help their Benin girlfriend pay gbese? E no dey horrible. Even if say money, even if say you go give the Benin woman money, you go give her to the boyfriend. You know how many Benin women you both give money? What did I use the money do? I bet talk another thing. I know say you don't drink medicine. I know say you don't drink. You know they get another thing talk. I bet find another thing talking. All those one are story. You say, if you can't tell them truth, if they're not going to say you dey craze, they will say you don't smoke igbo. If they're not going to say you don't smoke igbo, they will say you don't drink your medicine. You don't drink your medicine because you know the truth, and the truth is they pepper you. Since you no want stop this, since you no want comot for this my page, the truth must they enter your ear, direct to your ear. Benin men not protect Benin women. They don't protect them. Even if say police drive them come for road, their boyfriend go sit there and say make they go back to road. They don't protect them for that one lie to lie. May they say the truth. All these Benin women when una they come out, una want they say self-love. Una for just shut up. You guys shut up is better than bringing a lot of effect. You bring a lot of effect to the table. They don't protect. Come see this today. You don't see her. If you see Benin men today, now they cry for single mother money. Now they see they cry for single mother money. Benin men, they cry for Igbeaga money finish. Now single mother money. Hey man, you go.
Many of them know they come out. Many people when they do bad for Ashawo work, they're not on Facebook. They hide. They hide. Somebody tell me about something wey happen for Papa de Mayoka. How the girl say they say Emwe. Bag when put Emwe, they come catch another person.
No, so my darling, how you dey? This one they deceive. This one where they call this one. This one they gather grace joy. They deceive yourself for you. They deceive yourself. The disgrace don't already dey social media. Is it today? I'll be telling them, why if I want to do another thing, no, do another thing, no, remove mouth for this work. Self-love is saying the truth. Benin men never protect Benin women. Benin men never protect Benin women. If you see Benin man marry Asian woman, you know they do nyaka. But if you marry Benin woman, you go they do nyaka. You want to do nyaka. Now truth, now self-love talk. Because they don't want to hear the truth. The truth, they tangle their ear. All of them, when they say self-love lawa, all of them, they do Ashawo to feed their boyfriend. They pay madam finish. Who pay madam finish. Who run now? Now one can go they pay. Person when he run say no one pay basic. Now one can go they do Ashawo to they feed. If once he say he run no one pay basic, no one pay basic. He know they go road work. Now that they say easy not be only you want do self-love enter her. Now self-love, oh now they pepper there for you. You know say self-love is loud. He mat na engine. You see her? Now that truth now they no one made they hear. Why do you they know no Binima Bini boys years back. You got away they talk to me. Now brother cause say obie son. Now wow. Now you will come to work here with the bear obie son. Now so Ibini brother tell us say now you go give Isha woman money to work here with the bear. Do you know that there is some guys when they do control that time? There's the woman when they knock control for you go give them money. They will go give her to girlfriend. They got another girlfriend though. They got another girlfriend. If you want to play the game with them, you play the game with them. So Benin women they just say she iyamayale bane blabwe any they can insult them. And it's not too real like that oh. Some Benin women they guess they that lie they don't put Benin man for us. Lie. And that they against those one where they don't put Benin man for us. That they against. They are a friend one man one woman they will get here lekute. If they get here lekute, they still get 5 year lekute. They'll still get small girls. Yeah, they will wait for their Benin people. Once the Benin girl don't pay Igbese finish, The next thing, they go they friend the girl. Now I mean that they say, make una not follow black boy. Oh. Now, say Bini people, now they say black boy or your go. No, that language, now Bini get can. Black boy or your go. If you say the amount of people wait there for a year, now Bini, black boy, they chop person money. Black boy, they chop person money. May I tell you, Bini girl, when they work for Fabrica, then, Bini women, when they work for Fabrica, then, Bini men not they friend them, oh. Iya lele, iya where you go. They not they friend them. Lie. Don't they friend them. Ask. Just say, in the lovely time, I want to know, I want to go if you come, when you work for Fabrica that time. The time when the rest, they do Ashawo, they feed all those Bini men. Some still day inside when they work for Fabrica. That Bini man not they friend them. Lie. If they hard. Before you see say Bini man, you friend them because they'll say, hey, go. Because I see when they receive money for Fabrica now, where you want see million give you. The money when they receive, now you want to enter Africa shop, go carry a small start, 15 carton of small start, 7 carton of small start. Anything. You get one shop that time, anything, they go just attend load 3 carello. They know they do party, oh. I bet Bini men too stingy. They are very wicked and stingy. Ni awo rewe bo. Now them go make, now them one come make the one way de Nigeria. Any way, Nigeria now be a Bini women or rewe bo shentro. Those one when they inside poto. They may waje nanya. For 1 month for Nigeria, you call they do me shentro me when they abroad. They never born you. I say beer. They don't want to tell themselves the truth. That time that they speak me, I not agree for them. Lie.
Help me, hold back. Police corner.
Lie. He get one. I don't fight talk that story. Me with one of my Bini girlfriend, not be this one or another one. The Bini boy, that woman house night that day, they can never rent their house. Now so he can't speak me. Another one can't speak that my Bini girlfriend. Not be this one when me with her or another of my Bini girlfriend day. We not say now women and they follow stay for her so. You see her? Now we got us say one day one come they will read, they will see say now women they follow stay. That my Bini girlfriend. Me and they always the friends when I they get for Bini, they know where. Egbe male raya. I always get Bini friend when they rugged. I mean when Bini woman no yes you can they fear. If I get Bini girlfriend now rugged one how they get rugged. That one still rugged. As we read the house, so we don't know those Bini now woman either they follow stay. We just stay city room. I don't find out the story. We just stay city room. Now as you can't stay for there, they can't say wait till you want drink. Now so they even the bottle when they carry come as a drink. Now me with my girlfriend, that Bini girlfriend, now we take fight them. Now I will take fight them. As you come up for the now say my brother, my say my sister say now so these people be. He say now to toss for my mind say for till the day I can never if Bini person they talk to me I can never go to. If you want to say go to Padova, you can never see any Bini man for Padova. You can say he friend lovely. You know they. I don't agree. Even my Bini girlfriend, this one when they always they call me for line. If I they do videos sometimes, this my Bini sister. They will tell that one say go lovely go. He will say no, just go there. And the one where they tell my girlfriend say go lovely go. That they sell market. No be no bog be shentro no raw. Not be central way day. The one where they sell markets. I will say my Bini